Welcome to Master 79. In this lesson, we tackle an ielts writing task 1 bar chart from reading the data to a full band 9 model answer. Here is the task. The bar chart shows carbon emissions from 3 fossil fuels, gas, oil and coal, in the UK between 1990 and 2010. We must summarize the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Take a moment with the data. Gas in red, oil in blue, coal in green, across 5 snapshots from 1990 to 2010. For writing, read the chart. Ask which lines rise and which fall. Gas is the only clear riser. It climbs at every interval and ends as the largest source. Coal and oil both fall. Coal has the most dramatic story, a steady decline and then a collapse at the end. Oil drifts down gently. Grouping the data this way gives you a ready-made overview and 2 body paragraphs. The plan has 4 paragraphs. An introduction that paraphrases the prompt. An overview giving the 2 big trends with no figures. Body 1 for gas, the steady rise. And body 2 for coal and oil, the 2 declines. The introduction. The bar chart illustrates the quantity of carbon emissions produced by 3 fossil fuels, gas, oil and coal, in the United Kingdom, measured at 5-year intervals between 1990 and 2010. The overview, and notice it contains no figures. Overall, emissions from gas climbed steadily across the period and ended as the leading source, whereas coal, which had initially been the largest contributor, plummeted to become the smallest by a considerable margin. Oil, meanwhile, experienced a more gradual net decline. Body 1, gas. In 1990, gas generated the lowest emissions of the 3 at roughly 227 units, but it rose consistently thereafter, reaching approximately 272 in 1995 and climbing further to around 330 by 2010. This uninterrupted growth was enough to lift it above both other fuels. Body 2, coal and oil. Coal followed a strikingly different path. Having stood at around 310 units in 1990, it declined moderately to roughly 239 by 2005 before collapsing sharply to a mere 50 units in 2010. Oil began at about 272 units and, despite a brief recovery in the year 2000, drifted downward to finish near 227. Why does this score band 9? Task achievement, a clear overview with the key features selected and accurate data. Coherence and cohesion, logical paragraphs linked with devices like whereas, thereafter and meanwhile. Lexical resource, a precise range including plummeted, drifted and collapsed. And grammatical range, varied complex structures used accurately. One honest note. Band 9 here reflects our own writing quality assessment against the public ielts band descriptors, not a certified examiner score. That is our full task 1 walkthrough. If it helped, like and subscribe to Master 79 for more ielts practice. See you in the next one.